2025 is turning out to be the year of blockbuster IPOs. From Tata Capital to LG Electronics, and now giants like Lenskart and Groww are getting ready to hit the market. But which of these IPOs actually makes sense to invest in? And more importantly, what's coming next? Over the past few months, India's IPO scene has been heating up. Retail investors are returning, foreign funds are back, and strong brand names are creating serious buzz. Let's break down the recent listings and what they tell us about market sentiment before we jump into the next big ones. Let's start with Tata Capital, a name every Indian investor knows. It listed on 13 October 2025 at about R330 per share, just 1.2% above its issue price of R326. The response was steady, not explosive, but analysts say that's a good sign. A stable listing often shows long-term trust in the business rather than short-term hype. Being a Tata Group company with a strong NBFC footprint, Tata Capital has fundamentals that investors love: low NPA ratios, strong retail loan growth, and improving profitability. Next, LG Electronics India, the South Korean tech giant, listed on 14 October 2025. With an issue price band of RA1080 to RA1140 per share, and a strong debut. The listing reflected confidence in India's consumer electronics sector, boosted by Make in India demand and festive season momentum. The key takeaway? Global brands see India as the next growth frontier, and investors are noticing. Now, moving to the most talked about IPO of the season, Lenskart Solutions Limited. It plans to raise around R7,278 crore, with a price band of R382 to R402 per share, targeting a valuation near R70,000 crore. The eyewear retailer already runs over 2,000 stores in India and is expanding rapidly overseas. But here's what investors should note. The valuation sits at roughly 234x FY25 earnings. That's a premium price, meaning expectations are sky high. Investors are paying for growth, not just current profit. Another big name entering the IPO pipeline, Groww. The trading platform startup plans its IPO from 4th November to 7th November 2025, with a price band of Rs95 to 100 per share, aiming to raise about R6,632 crore. Financials look clean. Total assets around Rs12,113 crore, reserves of R5,506 crore, and borrowings of just Rs394 crore. It's a low-debt fintech model with massive user growth, but again, valuation is the key question. Will profitability catch up to investor excitement? So, what's next for the market? Tata Capital's stable debut and LG's strong entry have reignited confidence. Lenskart and Groww will test investor appetite for high-growth, high-valuation stories. For investors, the message is clear: fundamentals first, hype later. Look at PE ratios, debt levels, and business models before investing. The IPO wave isn't slowing down, but the smart money moves cautiously. So when you see the next big IPO trending online, ask yourself, is it another Tata Capital? Or a risky bet like Lenskart at 234x earnings? The IPO season has just begun. And what's coming next could define India's 2025 market story.